Stop performing in the 3D in order to manifest your specific person. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I'm going to shine some light on why you want to stop performing in the 3D in order to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, I offer an online course, Manifest Your SP Mastery. This is where I show you step by step how to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. I also offer monthly membership coaching. This is where you can get live coaching with me on a weekly basis to really stay on top of your manifestation game. And finally, I also offer one-on-one coaching. You can get access to any of these offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay. Let's get back to this video. Stop performing in the 3D in order to manifest your specific person. Now, the reason why I made this video is because I have noticed in my coaching groups where people are unaware when they're falling into a pattern of trying to perform in the 3D in order to get their specific person to commit to them or to choose them or to like them. So an example of this could be when somebody says, oh, okay, well, I'm going to dress up and look really good so that I can show my SP like what he's missing out on. Or I'm going to dress up like really sexy and cute and then send him the sexy, cute pictures of me to try and seduce him. Now, to be clear, there is nothing wrong with sending your specific person cute, sexy pictures of you all looking good and looking beautiful for yourself. That's not the issue, okay? The action is not the issue. It's actually the identity that the action is taken from. When you're taking that action from a place of, I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough, I'm not pretty enough, I'm not smart enough, SP doesn't want me, right? When you're operating from that identity and you're taking these actions in the 3D, such as let me take a really cute picture of me to try and seduce him, that is you trying to manipulate the 3D. That is you performing in the 3D. And it will always backfire. You might get like temporary results where you get some attention for a little bit, but you're never going to get the end result of the committed relationship or the version of them that you want, or the marriage or whatever it is that you want, simply because you are the identity that says, I'm not good enough, I'm not lovable, SP doesn't want me. You're operating from that identity, and your subconscious mind will always prove to you who you are being, not what you are doing. Another way to put this is when you're not being your authentic self in the 3D, that's you performing, right? Where you're putting on a show, you're trying to prove yourself, you're trying to get them to like you through actions in the 3D. But again, that's a form of manipulation. When you catch yourself trying to perform in the 3D in order to get your specific person to like you or to choose you, that should be an alarm bell. Oh, right now, I'm buying into a story that says I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough, SP doesn't want me, SP doesn't love me. That is why I am unconsciously in the 3D trying to manipulate my specific person by performing. And from there, you want to make a different choice, right? When you notice this pattern, you want to remind yourself, hang on a minute, I don't have to perform. I don't have to manipulate my specific person in the 3D. I can just show up as my authentic self and know that I'm loved for being me. And so to get to that place, it really is about going internally and reminding yourself who you are. I am lovable. I am perfect the way that I am. I am gorgeous. I am beautiful. I am good enough. My specific person loves and adores me. We're in a happy, loving, committed relationship, or we are happily married, whatever your end is, right? This work is about internally saturating your mind with the version of you that is already in a loving, committed relationship with your specific person and knowing your worth and value internally. When you know this internally, you will naturally show up as your authentic self in the 3D, where you're not performing, you're not trying to get your specific person to like you or to choose you. Why would you? Because you feel like you already have it. You know your value and your worth. You feel like you're already in a loving, committed relationship with your specific person. You're at peace with yourself from within. Therefore, you're never trying to perform in the 3D to try and get your specific person to like you, to choose you, or to love you. That is coming from a place of lack. That is coming from the identity that says, I am not the version of me that has my specific person. Like, the best way to think about this is that when you're operating from the identity of I don't have my specific person, any action that you take in the 3D is never going to get you your result. It just isn't. So you're wasting your time, you're setting yourself up to be triggered, to be upset, because you're not going to get the results that you want. Right? You might get attention for like 5 minutes, but that's it. And then your specific person goes back to ignoring you or breadcrumbing you. And then you're going to be like triggered about that because you're not doing the real work, which is the internal work, right? It has nothing to do with what you're doing in the 3D. The real work is the internal work. The real work is about focusing on your self-concept so that you know your value and your worth. It's about focusing on having positive assumptions about your specific person that imply you and me, my specific person, are in a happy, loving, committed relationship. They love me. They adore me. They only want to be with me. And you're saturating your subconscious mind with this so that this becomes your normal state of consciousness internally, so that you feel like you already have your specific person. You're already in a loving, committed relationship with your specific person. You've normalized this internally. Therefore, you're feeling much more at peace. Because remember, when the new story that you're telling that implies your end with regards to your specific person is a dominant story you're telling, your subconscious mind will produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. This is when you'll manifest the version of your specific person that wants to be with you. And when you're truly doing this work properly, you're never trying to manipulate the 3D. You're never performing. So that's something that you want to be aware of. If you catch yourself performing, make a different choice. That should be an alarm bell. Oh, right now I'm in a program that says I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough, I'm not the version of me that has my specific person. Do not take action from this identity. Instead, I'm going to go back internally and remind myself who I am. I'm whole, I'm complete. SP loves me, SP adores me. We're in a happy, loving, committed relationship. It's that simple. You're choosing your internal world over trying to manipulate and control the 3D, which will never work. Remember, you are already whole. You are already perfect. So you never need to try and impress anybody. You never need to try and perform for anybody. All of that is just fake as shit. Instead, you want to remind yourself who you are. You're perfect and you're whole so that you can show up as your authentic self and be fully loved for being you. So, when it comes to manifesting your specific person, notice when you catch yourself performing in the 3D, when you're trying to manipulate the 3D, when you're trying to prove yourself to your specific person in the 3D. Notice anytime you're doing that and break the pattern. Instead, make a different choice. Go within and remind yourself who you are internally. That you're perfect, that you're whole, that specific person loves you and adores you. Do not try to manipulate things in the 3D. You're only delaying your own manifestation when you do this. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.